Good morning, Kósmos Church. I would like to take you on a tour of our ministries. This administration department was certified by the Courts of Nazareth Leadership Ministry Division. The Courts of Nazareth is not as will soon become a BIOS-owned company. This trade-off will allow Pastor Sinclair to manage the church both from inside and out. These are positions: assistant pastor, there's no one there. If you want a direct link to BIOS News, here it is. And these are all of our sub pages. Notice the buttons are now bluish purple now. They used to be red. We changed it to blue because it's a more calm color. Kósmos Church is trying to make a modernized website. These are food that we have served on the campus that looks very delicious. Of course, you have to be associated with the church to get it. Now, this is our human trafficking poster. By law, we are supposed to have this in every one of our churches. We, as of right now, only have one church, but plan to build up to 5 in the next coming few years. We're not building them from scratch though. So, all of these churches, we're supposed to have a human trafficking resource center poster. And as you see, it's written in 3 languages. This is our Arabic poster as well. Kósmos Church does have a disciplinary report, and we do have a disciplinary system. We did blur the name out. So on July 19, 2017, this is our formal discipline letter that will be handed, and this is my, you know what this is? This is a pastor's signature. This is what the Courts of Nazareth used to do back then, although they no longer intervene in discipline anymore. The rest of the website is spiritual stuff, which with warnings, our main scripture, John 3:16, and translator services. We'll get back to that. This is John 3:16 in multiple languages. This is our security poster, and this is our Keep the Church Clean poster. No one is allowed to place trash items into plants, shrubbery, open spaces, furniture, architecture, rivers, lawns, woods, gardens, and trees, anything else. Doing so will result in a reprimand or removal from campus. The consequences are much more severe now. You can be fined for leaving trash everywhere. And we also say to our congregation, your mother doesn't work here. Your mother does not clean our building. If you bring a soft drink or coffee to class, handle it carefully or clean up any spills. Do not leave cans, cups, or other trash in or around your seat. This is our emergency preparedness manual, created in 2016, started in 2014, with the initiation of pastor ordination and Grouchy Baptist Church. These are all the codes that the church can call. There should be one of this in every single part of the church, as well as knowing that physical or verbal use of any staff member is against the law and is punishable by imprisonment. This is a post of care. Now let's go back down here. Let's go to our member services page. So here we have a translator form, and if you wish to start a career, this will be a separate video. Become a member of Kósmos Church. You can fill these out. Application for enrollment on the church staff. These are all the same form. You must fill out both. If you are a minor, Your parents will fill this portion out of the media release form, but most importantly, all persons, adults and minors, must submit a media release form in order to be filled by Kósmos Church. All pages have a home button that will take you back out of the website altogether. Let's go in a different route to our sermons page. So this is a public sermon manuscript release form. So this is, you have to fill this out in order for us to let you use one of our sermons. The dates may look backwards, but they're not. These are all sermons that we have preached up until February. The rest will be uploaded once we actually find them. Interestingly, the system crashed and deleted most of our sermons. This is our tithes and offering page we're always talking about. And this is a fun question there. Do you pay tithes and offering? This is our front page. This is the amount where you pay. This is our instructions to pay it. The minimum you can give is $6 because there's a $5 processing fee. This is the direct link, and this is our own tithe and offering page. The employee qualifications page is very good to see in our experience, the school, the approval rated, skilled, specialty, education, and licensed by also, status. Now, school is up to date, so we're not going to put what high school you graduated from. We're just going to put what school you are in now. This predicts the availability, approval rating, skill, specialty, education, licensed by, inactive, also inactive. Now, if you're in a different school, then it's not going to post. Now, animals can work at the church and support animals. So these are their field. You have to put school in the status thing. It's either they're here or not. This should be updated to more than a year, but you can't jump resident years by passing the test. And this is our cat, Anastasia St. Clair. She is a part of the Cather's family, the first family, less than 1 year, 5-star, diligent, specialty, and licensed by animal department. Now we do have animal department. We will go through that in the next video. Let's go down one to see it. We're going to modernize this into a glass website too. Our safety ministry. This will be the last stop on our tour. The safety ministry has a copy of the entire book. This is our crisis media church, which includes a crisis response coordinator, senior emergency manager, emergency chart manager, and a news reporter, and also the chief of security. It will tell you whether or not it's been activated. This is what security deals with, and these are all our departments. It tells you real time whether the departments are open or closed. If you want to file a code, here are all the codes you once again. You will file, you will choose a code, put the reason why, and to what extent, the name that you email. Here is your fun emergency questionnaire. What would you do? What are 2 things to do in a medical emergency? Take vitals, call 911. Don't go to lunch, don't feed the hounds. Where's the safest place? Locked classroom, not in the middle of the street or your car. How safe would you open a hot door in a fire? No. And we feel 10 safe in an emergency. Fill out this and then you